Hi everyone, in this video we'll see a ground floor plan for east facing plot. First coming to the dimensions of the plot, it is 29 feet width and 47 feet length. Okay, so first let's look at the setbacks we have left. In north side we left 3.5 feet including compound wall. In south 2.5 feet, and in west also 2.5 feet, and east including staircase it is 8.5 feet. Maybe after if it is this is 6 feet, the staircase is 6 feet, we'll be having 2.5 feet after staircase. So this is all about setbacks. Next, coming to the entrance, this main gate is arranged in northeast portion. Okay, so this portion parking space is available here, that is 16 feet upon 13 feet 9 inches, so we can save comfortably park vehicle here. Next, coming to the drawing room, the size of the drawing room is 10 feet by 10 feet. For drawing room, this north door also arranged. Okay. One north door and east door, two doors are available for this drawing room in view of Vastu perspective. After that, let's go into second room, that is living or dining room. So this is spacious area, that is 16 feet 6 inches by 11 feet. So we can use it for living and dining purpose. So as this drawing room is only 10 by 10 feet width, so maybe, so if one wants to arrange a TV unit over here, okay, or any sofa set, okay, so that will be comfortable in this area. Next comes to puja room. This is minimum size, 3.5 by 4 feet. Next, kitchen also 7.9 by 11. Okay, so here if you observe, here we left some space, okay, behind this puja, okay, in order to make comfortable width for kitchen room. So otherwise, in another way, we can even just do like this puja room. So in that case, the width for kitchen will be reduced. In order to avoid that problem, we did this. Okay. Next, going for the main bedroom or master bedroom. So the dimensions are 12 feet by 11 feet. So comfortable size. Next, this is the attached toilet for master bedroom. Comfortable size, 5 feet by 5 feet. Next comes to the second bedroom. It is also arranged with attached toilet. Size is 5 feet 10 inches by 4 feet 6 inches. Okay. So reasonably good size, not very big in size. If you observe rooms, all the rooms are of comfortable sizes. Okay, coming to the windows. So kitchen, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 windows we are getting. In the same way, doors we are getting 8 numbers. If one needs external toilets, one can arrange comfortably below the staircase without or giving some gap between this kitchen wall, okay, which gives proper ventilation to the kitchen, and the movement is also possible to the south lane if you are leaving the space. And yes, that's all about this. Thank you.